The first thing I remember was my wife trying to wake me up. I remember having some trouble breathing, and then it was like, no, no, wait, it's worse than that. I can't catch my breath. I usually sleep on my side. I was kind of on my side and sort of hung over the side of the bed in a weird way. I guess that was my instinct of trying to catch my breath while I was unconscious sleeping. But I was gasping for air. And I could tell by the look on her face, she was concerned, and I was, I couldn't even speak.